my pleasure to introduce our senior at-large speaker, Alex Coy.
In these last 4 years, we have accomplished much more than we ever thought possible. Yet despite the greatness of our accomplished class, what makes the class of 2013 legendary is not just our talent, but our desire to do something with that talent. What unites us together is that we all believe that our talents will make a difference. This hasn't always been easy. Look at what we've gone through. Budget cuts, furlough days, and larger classroom sizes. We faced a class advisor change, yet we came out stronger than ever. All these obstacles attempted to divide our class, but we remained united. We pushed onwards, believing that we can overcome anything and that we will succeed. Our belief in ourselves gave us the power to lead the charge to beat La Jolla in test scores and earn Mira Mesa its second blue and gold rally. A pep rally where we seniors experienced confetti blowing everywhere, glow sticks twirling around, and not to mention the biggest Harlem Shake ever. Aw yeah, we know how to have fun, alright. We showed our spirit and won Powder Puff 2 years in a row. Showing the class of 2012 and 2014 who the true leaders of Mira Mesa are. We took this momentum and generated more funds than ever, making prom a reality instead of a wish. But that's not all the fun we've had. Remember all the times the water polo team came streaking out in their uniforms? Or that we went to the queue to support our football team at their CIF finals? We are proud to be at a school where we have marauding maniacs who cheer for our team in 40-degree weather and have a grand night at the happiest place in the world, Disneyland. Our desire to lead our school and be the class that makes the difference has empowered us to raise the bar for the next generation. But at the end of the day, we have Mr. Juicy to thank for supporting us and giving us the opportunity to have this much fun at school. So thanks, Mr. Juicy, for everything.